Best practices for Vault. AWS Auth is crucial for secure authentication and authorization in AWS environments. To start with, Vault is a secrets management tool that provides a secure way to store and manage sensitive data. AWS Auth is a Vault authentication backend that allows users to authenticate with Vault using their AWS credentials. The first step is to configure the AWS Auth backend in Vault. This involves creating an AWS Auth backend and specifying the AWS region and credentials. It is essential to use a secure method to store AWS credentials, such as using IAM roles or environment variables. Once the AWS Auth backend is configured, users can authenticate with Vault using their AWS credentials. This can be done using the AWS CLI or the Vault CLI. It is recommended to use a least privilege approach when creating IAM policies for Vault. Authentication. Ensuring that users have only the necessary permissions to access Vault. Another best practice is to use Identity and Access Management IAM roles to manage access to Vault. IAM roles provide a secure way to manage access to AWS resources, including Vault. By using IAM roles, users can be granted access to Vault without having to manage individual credentials. In addition to configuring the AWS Auth backend and using IAM roles, it is also essential to monitor and audit Vault authentication. This involves logging and monitoring Vault authentication events, such as successful and failed logins. This helps to detect and respond to potential security incidents. To further enhance security, it is recommended to use multi-factor authentication (MFA) with Vault. MFA provides an additional layer of security, ensuring that only authorized users can access Vault. This can be done using AWS MFA or other MFA solutions. In conclusion, best practices for Vault. AWS Auth involve configuring the AWS Auth backend securely, using a least privilege approach, managing access with IAM roles, monitoring and auditing Vault authentication, and using multi-factor authentication. By following these best practices, organizations can ensure secure authentication and authorization in their AWS environments using Vault.